How to earn money from Facebook professional mode. So if you want to earn money on Facebook and if you don't know from where to start, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, and you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that your app is up to date. Once you've updated your application, then open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you're logged into your account and go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, now if you have this kind of interface on your profile, then what you need to do is just go with the right side, which has that three dots icon, and here on the bottom you will get an option of turn on professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode and tap on turn on again, which is on the bottom. So go with get started, and you need to turn on your professional account or your professional mode. Once you've turned it on, now what you need to do is just go back and you need to reload your page. Once you've reloaded, you'll get this kind of interface. So what you need to do is just simply go with the professional dashboard. Under your professional dashboard, if you scroll down, you will get an option of monetization. Tap on monetization under the tools, and here you will get your options, which is stars, ads on reels, bonuses, in-stream ads, subscriptions. So by these simple ways, you can earn money on your Facebook from professional mode. So the first one is stars. If you earn stars, then you will earn money. So you may also have seen the examples of some reels. So if you watch some reels, on the upper right side or the right side of the reel, you will get a star option, right? So if you tap on the star, then the creator will earn some money by those stars. Or you can also earn money by making some ads on your reels or getting bonuses. So if you tap on any one of these options, then it will say not eligible yet. It means that you don't have 1,000 followers yet. So you need to have 1,000 followers. Your profile need to have 1,000 or more than 1,000 followers. So if you have it, then you'll be able to earn some money from Facebook on your professional mode. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.